Hello YouTubers! Today I'm going to be going to participate in the lucky time for the premium box unboxing, and I have an increased chance of getting the two new Tsum of the month, which is Barley and Ian from the movie Onward. So as you can see, each one of them cost me 30,000 coins, and these are, we'll see how long it takes me to get them. So on the right side you can kind of see the sort of promotional video of the Tsums and the power that they have. So Barley is basically a premium box Tsum, and he appeared actually in the Japan event, in the Pixar Storybooks event in March 2020. And now he's on the international version of this game, and that just is releasing right now, currently in May 2020. So Barley will basically drive his car in two ways when his skill is activated. First, he drives a straight road, clearing a horizontal line, then drives a zigzag shape, clearing that as well. His base number required is 24, and his base radius is SS. So yeah, wow. I just got Ian. So I got Ian now, so that's awesome. So Ian is basically the brother of Barley in the movie, as you know, and I got two of them now. So I got him to skill level 2. He will basically change the size of the Tsums for a very short while, as you can see to the right in his transformation. His base number required is 19, and his base time is 6 seconds. Higher skill levels reduce the number required. So if you trigger his skill a second time, while the magic meter is still available, he will clear the bottom half of the Tsums. So that's pretty interesting. So he takes, Ian in particular takes 14 to 19 to fully recharge, and a minimum score of 130 at level 1. His score increases per level at 16, and his max level score is 767. And the Tsums required for his max skill upgrade is 36, which is typically normal for each one. And so like most of the other Tsums, you can get him at 6 different levels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And look at here. We were talking as I've finally got Barley, which clears the horizontal zigzag line of Tsum. So now, basically, I think I've accomplished my mission of getting at least one of each of the new Tsums. So if I sort everything by the release date, I have the two new Tsums at level 1. So here's Barley, the Onward Tsum, and I also have now Ian, which is awesome. And I have Flick, who also is new. If you've seen my last video, and I also have Eve as well. So the lucky time boxing time basically runs until May 18th of 2020 at 11:59. So after that time period is over, we're not going to have a chance again to get them at an increased rate until probably the end of the month. So yeah, I'm actually kind of impressed that this year, that probably because of COVID or whatever, that they've are on the international servers fairly quickly, considering this movie did come out fairly quickly. So and it's a brand new movie. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this movie, and that you can watch the sort of animations again looping from the actual official promotional videos. This is actually from Facebook on to the right, so they have a little promo on the TsumTsum fan page. So I hope you you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. And I hope you guys get Barley and Ian. Have a great day.